Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the radio in a 2013 Dodge Avenger. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and removing trim with gentle prise. Remove radio screws and detach wiring harness carefully. Inspect the dash cavity for any broken clips and clean connectors. Have your replacement head unit, wiring harness adapter, and mounting kit ready. Test fit the new unit before final wiring connections to avoid. Removing the dash bezel requires patience and steady hands to avoid cracking plastic. Use trim prise to lift surrounding panels and reveal mounting screws. Once screws are removed, slide the radio assembly out slowly while supporting its weight. Disconnect the antenna coax and main wiring harness by pressing release tabs. Keep bolts, clips, and trim pieces separated and labeled. Work in a well-lit area and take photos if you need to reverse steps later. Wiring should be done methodically using a harness adapter to preserve factory connections. Strip wire ends cleanly, crimp or solder joints, and insulate with heat shrink or quality tape. Attach ground and check constant 12V and accessory 12V with a tester before powering on. Reconnect the antenna and test the head unit functions like radio, Bluetooth, and backup camera. Once confirmed, secure the head unit into the dash and replace trim carefully to finish the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.